Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're switching things up today and we're doing a giveaway. If you noticed by the title of the video, it's a $100 PayPal giveaway, and I've teamed up with three amazing women, Ashley, Marie, and Natasha. I'm gonna have them all linked down below. Basically, we're all YouTube mamas living the dream with our cleaning videos and day in the lives and do it yourselves, you name it. We basically do it all. Basically, the rules of the giveaway is subscribe to all of us. You won't regret it anyways. Like I said, we're all very similar. If you're subscribed to me and watching this now, you're probably gonna love them too. Yeah, we're giving away $100 just to do it. So why not, right? So subscribe to all of us down below. Also go and follow us all on Instagram. We're going to have a post on Instagram there that says like $100 PayPal giveaway. Just follow the rules there. Basically, win $100. Why not, right? So that's pretty exciting. I'm just getting ready to go to work, so I thought I would just pop in and be like, hey, win $100. So I hope you guys take part in this, and if you do, make sure you comment below, and I really wish you all good luck. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each channel. They are all pretty, not similar, but similar. You know what I mean? Like, we all have our own personalities and our own shooting styles and editing styles and all that. But basically, like, Marie just hit 1K. She's booming. Like, she just started, I don't know, like a handful of months ago, and she's already hit 1,000, which is amazing. She does so many videos a week, probably like 2 or 3 at least, and they're all really great. So there's like motivational cleaning, there's like day in the lives, there's like date nights, a bunch of kid activities, and her Instagram is the same. Always like really inspirational to like do things with your kids, which is great because most of the times I just want to like sit on my ass and do nothing. So, and then Ashley, I met her probably a few months ago, but me and her just kind of like clicked really well. We're very similar. She's got like 1,000 kids at her house. Not that many actually, but she does have a lot, and I'm really like proud of her because she's just like killing it. She's already back to like her postpartum weight, or prepartum, sorry. And like her little man's not even 1 yet, so that's pretty awesome because my son's 1.5 and I'm still 30 pounds plus, guys. So Natasha is another great mom too. I've known her for quite a while now. She does cleaning videos, motivational videos. She's pretty awesome, and her voiceovers are always great. She's got just a great video, great Instagram as well, guys. Like, these Instagrams go so well with their channels, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So check us all out, subscribe to us all, enter the giveaway. I don't think you'll regret it. It's $100, not even like a gift card. Like, it's $100. Like, do whatever you want with it. Like, pay your bills, put gas in your car, treat yourself, buy food. I don't care. Do whatever you want. Just enter the giveaway down below, or I don't know, maybe it'll rain. Maybe if you don't enter the giveaway, it'll rain. These are really awkward videos for me, guys. If you haven't already guessed it, I don't do sit down and chat videos very often. And when I do, it's usually like in a video and it's very short. So sorry if this is really awkward. I hope I did my mamas proud. Yeah, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and enter the giveaway. Anyways, bye.